Here's again, welcome to my another edition for this morning. So once again, I would like to feature the different designated place there in residential area subdivision for our garbage. This will just be picked up by the dump truck before 8 o'clock. So you see, it is really placed in designated area. How disciplined people in Davao. And another part there. There is also garbage place. Just showing you at the same time my captured episodes, at the same time having my exercises here in the subdivision. Okay, this is it. Waiting for the dump truck to come. Really, it is arranged in really the expected way of arranging our garbage. Some more over there. Let's capture this moment. Actually, it's past 7 o'clock by now. But anytime the dump truck, garbage truck, is expected to pick up all of this garbage. Another area. I think that is already the dump truck. Yes. Oh. Yeah, it's already the dump truck picking up. That's it. It's good I was able to capture it. So let's sharing you how is it done here in the subdivision. As you can see, they are stopping on the designated area of picking up garbage. It's a bit nearer. How is it done? All the staff of this garbage collection here in the city. Okay, so they will be picking up this one. That's how big the truck is. Mabuhay, sir! Mabuhay channel! I'm just having captured episodes. Mabuhay, yeah, Merry Christmas, sir. Good morning, mabuhay. Mabuhay channel, ha? Oh, you watch tonight. Yeah, mabuhay! Welcome to Mabuhay channel featuring our garbage day. So, mabuhay morning, everyone. So, they are there already, my good Davaoenyo. You see how courteous, how respectful they are. Mabuhay! Mabuhay channel, ha? Okay. Thank you, mabuhay. The driver. Yeah, thank you. So I will not be eating near because the smell is quite punchy. So I will have to move on. That's the dump truck in action. Really like this life in this community. We're in life is just easy. Life is here, yeah, in Davao. So wonderful. Everything is being organized by our political leaders, our local leaders here, with the amazing leadership of the 30s. Okay, this one will be picked up also by the dump truck after they are done over there. So another way here. the residents are just putting their garbage there. It's on time that it's already time for collection of garbage. Here we go. So another designated area for garbage collection on this street. Another one. The garbage truck will be picking up at this area.
Good morning.
Okay, this is another pick-up point. Pick-up point for the truck over here, over there. Have a glimpse of all the areas that is being assigned for our garbage to be collected by the staff in charge of this, and another designated area for our garbage that will be picked up later by the dump truck who is already there on the other side of the subdivision. Oh, thank you ka, mabuhay years. You're done with your basura, ma'am? Kumana ka? Yeah, thank you. Mabuhay channel, ma'am. The dump truck is there already. The other side, dump truck. Garbage truck. So, mabuhay channel tonight, ma'am. So that's my Kako Residencia here, and you see they're very courteous, friendly people here in Davao. No one is a stranger for them as long as you are here in the Residencia. This is my coverage of my Wednesday a day in Davao. Let's move on the other parts of the garbage collection over there. It's a wonderful day. I love to bring my garbage every Wednesday, and as much as I can also have my walking exercises like this, what I'm doing now early in the morning. Okay, this spot will be picked up by the collectors later on. Another spot for picking up. Ay, kapitbahay. Kung naglabay imong basura? Naana dump truck dito. Dump truck naana dito. Naglabay na ka? Sige, diri ra ko. So that's our garbage designated area again. Let's move over there. I'm already getting perspired. Oh, there is a assume house for those who would like to assume here in Residencia subdivision. Oh, my friend Daisy. Yeah, here 0917-818-2566. 0917-818-2566. For those who like to assume house here in Residencia. Oh, here it is. Another type of houses. Blue. I love also blue color. Let's look on that spot if the garbage still there to be picked up. Ouch, there's a big dog. Big dog. But inside the gate of the homeowners. These are my captured episodes on a Wednesday, December 18. Thank you, Kamabuhay and Kamabuhayers, for joining me my episode on Mabuhay channel, A Day in the Life of the Retired Teacher. So signing off until my next vlog. I am your retired teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon, live and alive here in Residencia del Rio Subdivision, Talomo District, Davao City. Until my next vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and share my YouTube Mabuhay channel, my Reels, my Facebook account, and everyone on Facebook. Thank you, Facebook friends, followers, viewers, and everyone. Until my next vlog. Thank you. Signing off. Retired teacher being Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Until my next vlog. Thank you everyone. Kamabuhay and Kamabuhayers. Mabuhay!